As indicated by the most recent long-haul conjecture, Ethereum cost will hit $2,000 by the center of 2023 and afterward $5,000 toward the finish of 2028. Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,955.37. So the cost expanded by 64% from the very outset of the year. The determined Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $3,208 and the year-to-year change plus 169%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 64%. In 2023, we hope to see $2,391 per 1 Ethereum. In the principal half of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $3,402 in the last part. The cost would add $41 and close the year at $3,443, which is plus 76% to the ongoing cost. A gauge for later, close to days and months. Friday, April 21st, $1,962 say. April 22nd, $1,968 Sunday. April 23rd, $1,974 Monday. April 24th, $1,980 Tuesday. April 25th, $1,986 Wednesday. April 26th, $1,992 Thursday. April 27th, $1,998 Friday. April 28th, $2,004 May 15th, $2,109 June 15th, $2,299 July 15th, $2,458 August 15th, $2,595 September 15th, $2,733 October 15th, $2,866 Ethereum expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $3,443 to $5,744, which is up 67%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $3,443, then take off to $4,063 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $4,672. That implies plus 139% from today. Ethereum forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $5,744 to $7,402, which is plus 29%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $5,744, then, at that point, take off to $6,089 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $5,746. It is about plus 194% from today. Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,827.88. So the cost expanded by 53% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $2,823 and the year-to-year change plus 137%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 54%. In 2023, we hope to see $2,104 per 1 Ethereum. In the main portion of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $2,993 in the last part. The cost would add $36 and close the year at $3,029, which is plus 66% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $3,029 to $5,053, which is up 67%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $3,029, then, at that point, take off to $3,574 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $4,110. That implies plus 125% from today. Ethereum forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Ethereum cost would ascend from $5,053 to $6,510, which is plus 29%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $5,053, then take off to $5,356 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $5,055. It is about plus 177% from today. 03/15/2023 Ethereum value forecast 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,709.31. So the cost expanded by 43% from the very outset of the year. The Guaj Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $2,774 and the year-to-year change plus 132%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 62%. In 2023, we hope to see $2,260 per 1 Ethereum. In the main portion of 2024, the Ethereum cost will drop to $2,693. In the last part, the cost would add $141 and close the year at $2,834, which is plus 66% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $2,834 to $4,632, which is up 63%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $2,834, then dip to $2,453 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $2,704. That implies plus 58% from today. Ethereum forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Ethereum cost would ascend from $4,632 to $7,217, which is plus 56%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $4,632, then, at that point, take off to $4,910 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $5,101. It is about plus 198% from today. 0301 2023 Ethereum value forecast 2023 to 2024 Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,651.81. So the cost expanded by 38% from the start of the year. The estimated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $2,518, and the year-to-year change plus 111%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 52%. In 2023, we hope to see $2,051 per 1 Ethereum. In the principal half of 2024, the Ethereum cost will drop to $2,444. In the final part, the cost would add $128 and close the year at $2,572, which is plus 56% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $2,572 to $4,206, which is up 64%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $2,572, then dip to $2,227 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $2,455. That implies plus 49% from today. Ethereum expectation 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Ethereum cost would ascend from $4,206 to $6,552, which is plus 56%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $4,206, then, at that point, take off to $4,458 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $4,631. It is